Today, all parents are well aware that for all-round development of a child, equal focus is required on studying and other hobbies. Thanks to the smart space management by Invisible Bed Furniture, our kids have ample space for all their favorite activities. This is a foldable kids bed with a foldable study table. So my kids have a dedicated space to study and to sleep. With L-shaped storage design, even the wardrobe makes use of this space in every corner of the room. My kids are very happy with the unique and innovative furniture designs for their room by Invisible Bed. Now their friends also want similar furniture for their rooms.